If the factory brakes on your 2010 and newer F-150 are completely toast, then it's time to start looking at a replacement or maybe even an upgrade like the PowerStop Z36 truck and tow pad and rotor kit here. Now this very popular and very affordable kit will include a brand new set of slotted and drilled rotors for the front, along with a brand new set of heavy duty carbon ceramic pads offered just north of $200. Now the install, according to the site here, is good enough for a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter and shouldn't take you any longer than a couple of hours to complete from start to finish. So when you're upgrading the brakes on your rig, you do have a couple of different options. Now first and foremost, you could always just go with a local parts store factory replacement, which is going to be your most affordable bet. Your next option would be to check out something like we have here, right? A set from PowerStop, which is going to give you a set of aftermarket rotors, a set of aftermarket pads, but at the same time still maintain most of the factory hardware, such as your brake lines and your calipers. Now your third and final option would be to check out a complete hardware replacement and go with a big brake kit from companies like Wilwood or Brembo, but at a much higher price point. So again, you have a few different decisions to make here with your braking choice. But let's break this kit down from PowerStop a little bit more, pun intended, and talk about what you are getting here and what you can expect. Now, the foundation of this kit is going to be the company's cross-drilled and slotted G3000 iron rotors, which have been finished off in that silver zinc coating to help prevent any corrosion over the years. Now the slotted and drilled design is obviously in place to help out with cooling, and PowerStop claims your surface temps are going to be dropped nearly by 80 degrees, give or take here, compared to your factory rotors, which in turn will greatly reduce brake fade, especially when these puppies are working overtime to haul down a heavy load or heavy tow. Now, as an added bonus here, guys, and this is another big thing owners consider going with a slotted and drilled setup, is that they're going to look a little cooler behind your favorite set of wheels, whether aftermarket or even your factory stuff. The second part of the equation is going to be the Z36 heavy-duty carbon ceramic pad. Now, the Z36 pad is a unique compound built specifically for truck and SUV use, and when combined with the PowerStop rotors, they're going to claim a result in roughly 20% increase in stopping power, according to the guys over at PowerStop. Now, along with more initial bite here, thanks to that compound, you're also going to be getting a little bit more heat resistance, and again, it's going to be huge when you do a lot of heavy towing, or even if you've upgraded the size of your wheels and tires, as they do take a little bit more effort to haul down. Now again, that's the biggie here with the Z36 pad, guys. This is designed specifically for heavy-duty use. Now you are going to be getting a little bit more dust because of that, and you're also going to be getting maybe a little bit more noise, nothing crazy, but if you want to reduce the dust, reduce the noise even further, and you're not really going to be working these things that hard, you might want to check out the Z23 pad from PowerStop instead. It can also be found here on the site for a very similar price point. Just a quick heads up here, guys, these things do include a brand new set of stainless steel shims, in addition to the hardware and lube needed to get everything you see in place. They also have been backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, so if you run into any issues, PowerStop has your back. As far as your installation is concerned, well, I would say pads and rotors are pretty much wrenching 101 when it comes to automotive work, so because of that, don't expect a terribly difficult day in the garage or driveway, but middle of the road, 2 out of 3 wrenches, I feel is a safe bet here, and depending on how fast you work, you should be able to get these puppies banged out in an hour or 2 from start to finish. But wrapping things up here, guys, if you're looking for an affordable braking upgrade for that F-150, you do a lot of towing, hauling, maybe even have a bigger set of wheels and tires installed, definitely give the PowerStop Z36 kit a look right here at AmericanTrucks.com.